Hello everyone, I'm Dayo from MAXIZM Construction Machinery Company. Today I want to introduce a heavy truck tractor from SINOTRUCK for you. First, we can see this tractor's color is white. From the views, we can see its drive type is 6x4. That means it has 6 wheels, 4 of which are driving wheels. The wheelbase is 4,300 plus 1,350 millimeters. This wheelbase design can ensure the stability and controllability of the vehicle. Then let's take a look at the nameplate of this truck tractor. We can see that this is a new tractor produced in 2025. Its model is ZZ4257V344JB1R. And this is the VIN. Its RAW is 24,000 kilograms. The FAW is 7,100 kilograms. And its GCW is 25,000 kilograms. It can be equipped with WD615 series engines with different horsepower to choose from. It can meet the traction needs and various working conditions. The engine output of this truck tractor is 371 horsepower. The cab has a spacious space, besides 2 comfortable seats. It is also equipped with a sleeper berth, which is convenient for the driver to rest during long-distance driving. The air conditioning system can create a comfortable driving environment. This trailer is mainly used in logistics transportation. It can tow various semi-trailers and is suitable for long-distance transportation and heavy load transportation. Okay, that's all for my introduction. If you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact us.